On top of the morning this morning, guys, up and active. Yeah, man. Was wondering where to start this year video from, but you know it's something go. Always up and active and I give thanks to life, guys, but this morning I one of them morning kind of rugged. Yeah, man. Up from early because of what? Them say storm are coming now, guys. Yeah, man, based from my knowledge. It's all over the media, guys. Yeah, man, and the signs at the time, you know. So, have to make sure we prepare properly prepared. Even though you can't stop the inevitable, you only can delay it. Yep. But anyway, up and active and jump up extra early because based on all the time situate with them say it will come across, so I have to make sure I see how the animal them alright. So no out from before the usual time. Yeah, man. But anyway, something good, guys. Morning still here, so there you are, there tracker. Yeah, man. Long day either way. Come on, yard. Yeah, man, on top of the morning this morning, guys, come get a few stuff right here, there. You know, I invite you all along for watch this here video. As usual, we keep it simple. Yeah, man. This is yard as is Jamaica yard life. Open, active, and we give thanks to life as usual. Come on, yard. You know, energy. Stay positive. Tata. It's just a calm and collective. You know something go, guys, with the stop. You know energy go. Yeah, guys, on top of the morning. Remember now, guys. So you know that crash. Bowling can go a little bit. Look at time and chat through. Just reached the main road. Yeah, guys. I have some issues with the device, you know. Yeah, man. Forgive me, I'm a rugged look, guys. Can't follow me. Yeah, man. But oh my real, guys. I've been having some issues with my device. I believe I mentioned it earlier on. Yeah, man. I dropped the device and messed up the camera. Yeah, man. But gradually as I progress, I feel like now use another device and catch footage and then, you know, throw them across. But let's see what can go on, guys. And complain, you know. And sometimes you're there and out of the blooms. Sometimes it just start working. God knows what's best. Yeah, man. So we not complain, as me always say. You know, stay focused. Think positive. That is it. Yeah, man, it is said that we will experience some storm force winds. Yeah, man. No meteorologist, guys. But so far this morning, it look a bit shaky, guys. Yeah, man. Sketchy. But, you know, we have to do what we have to do same way. Yeah, man. Just a small insight, guys. You know, me always run a few things around the brain, yeah. But you see for me, guys, it's challenging to stay on a certain path where you know, certain movements is concerned. I don't even know if I explain it to you all. Yeah, but you know, when you see and you're aware of what taking place, yeah, man. Them say information is power, and power something we can get you killed. Yeah, man. But you know energy go, guys. We now get into that right now. Yeah, man, little virgin and they all look for me this morning. They say, yes. No place like yard, guys. Yeah, man, they said dog is a man's best friend. Well, dog is man's best friend. Yeah, man. But anyway, as I was saying, guys, in this time and age, you have to know how to move, how to act. Yeah, man, how to carry yourself most naturally. Let me say you live, while you living you learn. Yeah man. For me, every day is a learning process. No joke. Yeah man. Some people learn to a certain extent and stop them being comfortable with that. But for me, every day is a learning process, and one of the main thing when me stick to or a energy when me keep holding on to from a youth stage growing up. Yeah man. Life have it way. Yeah man, as Chronics would say, of turning your grey skies blue. Yeah man. But sometimes it feel like all of that sky where you look on and come tumble on you. Yeah man. But throughout them process, I always think positive. Yeah man. As me say, sometimes there is nothing there for even hold on to, but I always try my best to hold on to, even thin here. Yeah man, because once you're up and active and you have life and you live amongst your peers in terms of you live around human beings, yeah man, you always are going to learn something. And for me as a yard man, I'm always trying my best to judge you as a human being first. Yeah man, before we go anywhere else, man, as my general saying. Yeah man, but as I say, I'm always trying my best to judge you as a human being. Yeah man, and from there, sir, you can prove me otherwise. Yeah man, but that's why we are, guys. Human beings tend to do things where I really call for some time. Tend to do some things where they feel like, you know, them have the upper hand, but it's a wild man a plan. Got a wife, guys. But can't follow me here. I tread along here, guys. As I say, with the area trackle. Yeah, man. Time is the most important thing you can have on the face of this earth. Time. Yeah, man. And how you choose to spend that time, it's up to you. I can't bash you, I can't tell you how to do, what to do, and how to spend your time. Yeah man. Once it is within the laws and nature for me, where you can invest, me see I invest your time properly, no problem man. It's up to you. Yeah guys. But anyway, chit chatting here guys, we just did a chat this morning. Yeah man. Live and learn, you know. Yeah, blessings guys. Storm or blow guys. Yeah man, funny enough, they are yard and so I take on fashion. Yeah man. Currently at the moment the power gone guys. Yeah man, no current. So my player I improvise, take on fashion. Funniest thing about it, I never get the opportunity to stock up. Yeah man, so that makes what food in the house guys. When we something up, still have to take on fashion, so can't do it and do it from do. Yeah man, so find a little bit of flour, I say, you know, I do some baked dumpling. Yeah man, I over there. Me alone there, so we have to do don't it. Yeah man, so see if we can roll up some baked dumpling and go on normal out in the way there. Out the door there in a good condition at all guys. Until they say quite a few of the hockey tree and break down already. Yeah boy, me there bake 2 flour bar. Until they say brother, out the door they are going with itself away, you know, that could it 3 tear down all type of thing already. Hockey tree tear down around there, so tell them my brother, hang on through the process, you know. When you get a serious breeze like that, what we can say, yeah, I have to go run out and go shelter. But hopefully guys it pass and everybody get paid. You know? Feel a little bit better. Very nice. The guys outside and you know me already. Make sure lockdown inside because it's a safety comes first. So there looks up some baked dumpling I can to deal with guys. Turn on the fire low enough. Then you get the pot hot on a level. You don't want it too hot. Bake them guys. Yeah guys, I'm at the door at the moment. I take a look outside and trust me. So far, most of the academic blow off a tree. As you can see, you have a few trees we tear down. Yeah man, but greatest thing, nothing too serious now going. Yeah man, the boat then run a corner. Easy back. Yeah man. Yeah, they are tracker guys. Yeah, up and active. On top of the day guys, yeah man, a whole heap of breeze and rain and a bag of yeah out the door. Trust me. But you know me already, me in the kitchen I take and done fashion, yeah man. Just now do some baked dumpling because you know energy go early morning style after me go look for the goats. Yeah man. Make sure the animal them alright. But right now me there cook up some good old metal. Yeah man, and white rice. You know where something go. Yeah man, some good old scrap metal. Well, for those of you who don't know scrap metal, yeah man, chicken back we call scrap metal, you know. Yeah man, somebody has to stir up some chicken back and white rice. You know the energy go guys. Keep getting up, getting out there and doing the right thing man. Yeah man. Storm pass guys. The only thing we need now is some good old current back in the line. But you know where something go. So there they are chocolate man. See y'all when we get there. Come my yard man. On top of the afternoon guys, well not the afternoon, the night. Yeah man, but you know me already up and active and yeah just I give thanks to life man. Sometimes I do some simple little things make you know say you have to value life a little bit more than the average sometimes. Yeah man, sometimes I get up and I just the one what I say I just the Father bring me through man. If I'm not better, I don't know who I is, bro. They are chill with Zeus. As you can see, Zeus I take time I get prettier, guys. Yeah, man, big bro, nice up, you know. See him here grow back and stuff. I just run him eye on a few places here and there. Not pretty yet, but as you can see, all him foot nice. Yeah, man. Big bro put on body. Yeah, man, big up yourself, you know, Zeus. Yeah, guys, but know me already. Always I take the time out to spend time with the animals guys. Love and love alone man. This is yard as is. Anyway, we still at Chaka. Come on yard.